Hello, my name is Amadon Delerba with Global Change Television. We're here at Occupy Wall Street in New York. Sir, what is your name?
J.A. Meyerson.
All right, why are you here today?
I am here today to contribute to the most exciting movement of my lifetime in any way I can, the movement to eradicate the control that corporate wealth exerts over democratic politics and liberate democratic politics to respond to the needs of people as opposed to the whims of the very rich.
Okay, great. What do you feel some of the changes that can come about from these actions of the people today? What are some changes you'd like to see happen? Real, legitimate changes.
Well, a lot of the focus has been placed on legislative changes, and there are good legislative changes that can come out of it, rolling back the effects of Citizens United ruling, eliminating the doctrines of corporate personhood and the idea that political donation is a free speech idea, a millionaire's tax, reinstating Glass-Steagall and getting rid of Too Big to Fail. All these kind of things are very good, but I think that the goal that I have is not so much legislative, because I don't think that they're listening to us. The goal that I have is on the rest of the 99%. If we can organize an enraged population that can be radical and make the wealthy and the powerful apprehensive about our power, then we'll have done our job.